Hi guys, so today I'm back in Sofia, Bulgaria, and today we're going on a free food tour. So it's a walking tour where we're going to stop at a bunch of restaurants and cafes and get lots of free food. Already got the crowd ready to go. I think they're just finalising the last spaces because you can't have more than 15 people. So I think it's minimum 5 people, maximum 15 people, and I think a couple more than 15 have just turned up. So let's see what happens. But oh, I think we're just about to start. Let's go.
You will have the chance to sample some traditional and also some modern dishes. And I hope you came hungry for knowledge and not completely hungry, because the food may not be enough for a full meal.
So off we go to the first restaurant on the list. Not sure what it is yet, but let's go have a look. So we've just got to the first place. It's called Supa Star, and it's a pretty famous soup restaurant in the city. They've got over 600 different recipes of soups. Each day they make 6 different varieties, and I think we're waiting on the first one as we speak. So yeah, looking forward to trying it. So the first soup I can't actually have because it's got walnuts in it, but what do you think of the...
It's good. It's like eating like the yogurt but in like a soup was.
Yeah, so there's lots of yogurt, walnuts,
that's kind of where it gets
water.
the name from, like similar to like tartar sauce.
Ah,
Here you are.
and one for me in particular. Ooh. And what's this one?
It's the same. It's
Just without the walnuts. Okay. Cool. Right. Yeah, creamy. Some cucumber in it. Dill, garlic. Very nice. So all finished. Definitely needed some walnuts, but you know, I think that would kill me. It's cold soup. More traditionally in the summer, but it's very, very nice. But as I said, there's over 600 different recipes here, and they've got 6 different varieties on every day. So yeah, definitely want to come back here when I'm in Sofia. So number 2 on the list is a wine bar with some free samples.
Really good.
Lovely.
It's not expensive, it's like £5 for half a litre of wine.
Guys, you look each other in the eyes and you say na zdrave.
How's the barbie?
What is it? Na zdrave. Na zdrave. Yes. Of course. Guys, this is our next stop. It's called Mekitsa and Coffee, which literally means Mekitsa and a coffee. Mekitsa is a traditional Bulgarian pastry. It's made out of fried dough, basically.
How is it? Mouthful? Oh god.
Oh no.
Dropped all my ice and sugar. That's really good. It's almost like a donut ball with icing sugar on top. It's really nice. So that's 3 down, 2 to go. That last place was really, really nice. It was almost like a donut ball with icing sugar on top, but they were saying that they also do savoury ones with, Aiden, what do they put on top? So garlic, white cheese.
White cheese and some spices, and also it's garlic in it.
Delicious, yeah. I think we're going to come back tomorrow for breakfast and have one of those bigger ones, but with a cup of coffee as well. So we're at the next place, which is called Zoya. It's more of a shop, but there's a bakery in the back, and we're going to have something called Mekitsa, which is kind of like phyllo pastry with cheese and egg in it. And I've been having it for breakfast a couple of days, and it's really, really good. And we're also getting a super fruit shake as well, so I think it's going to be very, very nice.
A mixed store for with oat milk and different berries, banana, blue spirulina powder, lucuma, which is a sweetener, and some other cute ingredients.
Oh, it's so good.
In the Banitsa, you said there's like wishes.
Yes.
Are there good and bad wishes, or is it all good?
It's mostly good wishes.
Okay.
There is only one bad wish usually, but it's the laziness. For me, it's not bad.
Not bad, no.
We don't have the ingredients in English, which is a mistake, but
That's okay.
yeah.
Oh, but it was very nice.
Really nice.
So that superfoods place was really, really good actually. It's just a shop, but because they got a good bakery and very, very nice staff, definitely recommend going there. So now we're heading over to our very last place on the tour, and not sure what it is yet, but if any of the other places are anything to go by, it's going to be very, very nice. 100% recommend this free walking tour. Try lots of different things, see different parts of the city, and try some traditional food. So what is not to love?
Thank you.
I feel very important.
Okay, this should be the last one. First one.
Last one.
The last one.
Then why are we taking it the first? This is even more
So the first one of these little spreads is tomato and pepper. Yeah, that's the right one. Oh my god, it's so good. So sweet. Yeah, I want this for home.
It sort of reminds me of a pasta sauce.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of like a pasta sauce. And the second one is garlic and aubergine
Yeah.
and peppers, maybe.
Yeah,
Why is
mine
it
have
red?
peppers as
Yeah.
well.
Right, let's give this one a go. Yeah, that's good.
It's tomato and garlic.
Yeah, that's good.
Which one is eggplant again?
And the walnut one is good too.
And the walnut one's good too. Right,
Yeah.
well, glad you enjoyed that.
It's a sweet dessert wine.
So, sweet dessert wine, right. Thanks.
Do you remember how to say cheers?
Oh, it's very tough.
Does the
No, nose something. Nazdra.
Na zdravie.
Nazdrave.
Nazdrave.
Right, nazdrave.
Na zdravie.
Nazdrave.
Nazdrave.
And look it in the eye. Yeah, you should
Oh,
look it
yeah.
in the eye. Yeah. Okay, I'm
Nazdrave.
You've got to stare in someone's eyes.
So that is it for the food tour. It was really, really good. 100% recommend coming to do it when you're in Sofia. People leave tips at the end, but it is a free tour. So if you like it, you can pay. If you don't, you don't. But yeah, definitely go and check it out. You can find it online. It's on TripAdvisor. I think it's one of the top things that you can go and visit. Top things to go and find up there when you're looking for food tours. This is the leaflet, the logo and all of that. So yeah, watch out for it. But definitely recommend. So thank you for watching this video. I'm back in my hostel now. I hope you enjoyed this. It's been a fantastic day on the walking tour, meeting new people, trying new foods and wines. 100% recommend. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you guys can find this walking tour, this food tour, so you can experience it for yourself when you're next in Sofia. Anyway, Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay up to date with all of my new videos. I'm going to be in Sofia for a week and a half more, and then I'm going to head back to the UK for 3 weeks. So you might not get any content when I'm back there, but then I'm off to Dominican Republic for a month, and then another kind of 5 months, 6 months in South America. So don't miss out. You're going to want to stick around. Amazing content is going to be coming very, very soon. Anyway, thanks for watching.